Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this really worth buying appliance that we bought from Amazon. So are you looking for an upgrade to your movie experience at home, right? And it's like you want to have that cinema feel. Well, I think this is the best uh, um, product for you. Okay, so let's unbox it. So what we got here is a XuanPad mini projector that we bought from Amazon for a discounted price. So we got this for 61 euro, all right, and free shipping from Amazon. And so yeah, let's find out what's inside this video projector. Okay, so this is the box. So it weighs about like 1.5 kilograms or less, right? So let's find out what's inside the box. So we bought this because we want to, upgrade our movie experience here at home without buying a big television, of course. And for a price of 61, I think this is a good buy for everyone. So as you can see, the packaging itself is really good. It has foam in it. The projector is inside the foam, and it comes with a lens cleaner. Yeah, okay, and of course the manual, the warranty card from XuanPad, and the operation guide on how to install which will depend on the type of device that you're going to connect, like your iPhone, your laptop, smartphones, Android or Apple, or even MacBook. This is the guide for you. Okay, so and this is it, guys. This is the projector. So just be careful. Alright, so this is the projector. As you can see, there's plastic in it, so it will not be damaged or have some scratches, I think. Alright, so guys, this is the projector itself. This is how big it is. This is the actual size. And of course, it has a lens cover. And the buttons are on the top. You've got the power button, the back button, and of course the buttons to navigate the settings. And of course it comes with this power port in here, which requires an adapter, of course, which I'll show you later. And these are the ports on the other side of the projector. This is the HDMI 1 port, and these are the jacks, for headphones and audio video. All right, and of course for USB 1, USB 2 ports, and of course another HDMI port on the last part of the projector. And of course the fan outlets are here. So yep, pretty much that's the projector. It has the focused settings here, and the keystone is here. All right, so aside from that, this also comes with another box where you will find these items. Okay, as I've mentioned, it requires an adapter. This is the power supply adapter. The projector is rated for 100 to 240 volts auto volts. So of course this comes with this, and the audio video connectors Okay, and of course the HDMI connectors. Okay, and the remote control. All right, so it doesn't come with the batteries though. So AA batteries, two AA batteries, so you can use the remote. And this is the adjusting screw that you can attach on the bottom of the projector. So pretty much that's about it. So I'll give you a review later on, or I'll put it in the comments on about the ratings or how I rate this projector. Actually, this is our first mini projector, and based on the reviews in Amazon, it looks like this one is ahead of the others. So that's why this is what I chose in Amazon. All right, so again, this is 61 euro in Amazon. Try to search for XuanPad pad mini projector, and you will find this right away. Okay, so guys, I'll show you the picture or the video of how it looks like on our next review or vlog. All right, again, thanks for watching, guys. Till our next vlog. Bye bye.